how to type bold text on Facebook. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you type a bold text or anything on your Facebook. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So once you're in the home page of Facebook, you'll be able to explore to various posts or videos over here. At the upper section there is what's on your mind option, where when you tap you'll be able to open up to this interface, and from over here you can tap the text. For example, let's type right there, and when you type you'll be able to type a normal text. And you need to know that you cannot type a bold text on Facebook, but you need to go to the certain site or you need to convert it to bold from any browser. So you just have to copy the text you have entered over here. You can simply press and hold, and here will be the option for a copy. Simply tap over there and you can go back to the home page and you can open up to any browser. And in the search bar of the upper section, simply search for bold text generator, and here will be the various options. You can tap on the first one and you'll be opened up to two text boxes where you can simply tap and paste the text that you have copied. And once you enter that, you'll be able to see the bold letter over here. Along with the bold letter, here is the type of the text also, which is serif and sans. And you just can copy the text that you like and you can go back to your Facebook, and instead of this normal text you can erase it and you can push the bold one. And this is how you do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.